Children, let us continue the second part of chapter 8, Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. Children, what do you understand by the term natural vegetation? What are the different types of natural vegetation? So let's study. Natural vegetation is the term used for all grasses, shrubs, trees which grow on their own without human intervention or care. India has a vast variety of plants growing in different terrain forms. They can be divided into five main types. First, tropical evergreen forest. Second, tropical deciduous forest. Third, thorny bushes. Fourth, mountain vegetation. Fifth, mangrove forest. Let us study about the tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forests are also called evergreen forests. These forests experience high temperature and heavy rainfall of average more than 200 centimeters a year. These forests are dense and multi-layered. They have no particular season of shading the leaves. They are mostly hardwood trees with broad leaves. These forests are found in hills of the northeastern part of the country, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and the Western Ghats. Major plant species are mahogany, rosewood, ebony, etc. Next is tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forests are also known as tropical monsoon forest. These are generally found in areas which get 70 to 200 centimeter annual rainfall. Trees in these forests shed their leaves at a particular time of the year. They are found in Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand and different parts of Maharashtra. Major plant species are teak, sal, shisham and bamboo, etc. Children, what do you know about the thorny bushes? Thorny bushes are the types of vegetation found in dry areas where there is a shortage of water and low rainfall up to 75 centimeter a year. The leaves of the plants are thorny and needle-like. They have deep roots. Such thorny bushes are found in different states like Rajasthan, Gujarat and some parts of Haryana. Major plant species are cactus, babool, kikar, kale, etc. Next is mountain forest. Mountain forests are those forests which have trees with sharp pointed leaves. These are also called coniferous forest. These forests are located in higher altitudes and precipitation varies from 300 to 900 millimeter annually. Mainly found in eastern and western Himalayas. These forests provide softwood which is used for making paper. Major species are pine, deodar, fir and cedar, etc. Next is mangrove forest. Mangrove forests are those forests which are formed on deltas with alluvial soil and are highly fertile. They are also called tidal forest. They survive in saline water. Such forests are found in the Ganga-Brahmaputra Delta region. Sundari is the most abundant variety of the trees found in the mangrove forest. Let's understand the importance of forest. Forests help to preserve biodiversity. Forests are natural habitats of all plants and animals. Forests provide timber, wood, fuel, medicines, fodder, etc. Forests help to maintain ecological balance. It helps to control climate and rainfall. It helps to prevent soil erosion and control flood. And forest helps to maintain the oxygen level. Children, let's understand the different methods of conserving forest. For the conservation of forest, following steps can be taken. Conservation of forest is a national problem, so it must be tackled with perfect coordination between forest department and other departments. People's participation in the conservation of forest is of vital importance, so we must get them involved in this national task. The cutting of trees in the forest must be stopped at all cost. Afforestation or special programs like Van Mahotsav should be launched on grand scale. Celebration of all functions, festivals should proceed with tree plantation. Cutting of timber and other forest produce should be restricted. Grasslands should be regenerated. Forest Conservation Act 1980 should be strictly implemented to check deforestation. Several centers of excellence have been set up and awards should be instituted. Let's study about the wildlife of India. India is a country which has a variety of animals and birds species. There are about 75,000 species of animals which include mammals, reptiles and birds. The southern region of India, especially Kerala and Karnataka, are home to a large number of elephants. The Gir forest region of Gujarat is famous for lion. The Indian tiger is mainly found in Bengal, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Children, do you know where is rhinoceros and hippopotamus are found? Yes, the rhinoceros and hippopotamus are mainly found in Assam. The dry regions of Rajasthan have camels and many varieties of deer and nilgai. The coastal regions of Odisha coast is famous turtle hatcheries. The hills of Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir are famous for bears and leopards. The marshy areas have plenty of varieties of monkeys, crocodile and other reptiles. Large variety of birds are also found across the Indian countryside. Children, let us understand the preservation of wildlife in India. What is the government role in conservation of wildlife? Wildlife Protection Act was passed in 1972. Project Tiger in 1972 to 73. Forest Protection Act 1980 to 88. Anti-poaching agencies, State Wildlife Department, State Forest Department, Ministry of Environment and Forest, Army, if applicable, Force, Police, Border Security Force, Coast Guards, Wildlife Conservation Society. Children, let us understand the conservation of forest and wildlife resources. Many species are going extinct due to indiscriminate poaching, killing, and hunting of animals. To prevent large-scale damage, wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, and biosphere reserves have been set up at various parts of the country. A ban on hunting and poaching of wild animals has been imposed in these reserves. Project Tiger was initiated in the year 1973 to protect tigers from hunting. Events like Van Mahotsav are also organized to inculcate the need to grow more trees in towns and cities. In this map of India, the different national parks of India are located. Go through with the map very carefully and learn the location of the different national parks of India.